Angkatan Laut Rusia mengirim senjata jarak jauh berpresisi tinggi ke markas pelatihan pasukan cadangan Angkatan Bersenjata Ukraina di Odessa. Serangan mengenai markas sementara Brigadi Marinir ke-35 Angkatan Bersenjata Ukraina di Dakhnoye, wilayah Odessa, di mana pasukan cadangan untuk Angkatan Bersenjata Ukraina sedang dilatih. Lebih dari 60 personel dieliminir, serta lebih dari 10 kendaraan militer buatan asing, kata juru bicara militer Rusia Letnan Jenderal Igor Konasenkov, tanggal 20 Juli. Letnan Jenderal Igor Konasenkov juga memperbarui unit penerbangan operasional taktis dan tentara. Pasukan rudal dan artileri Rusia menyerang 7 pos komando di dekat Yavkino, Beresnevato, Visuns dan Kaluga di wilayah Nikolayev. Brigadi Serangan Gunung ke-128 di distrik Verkhnekamenskoye di Republik Rakyat Donetsk, dan Brigadi Mekanik ke-92 di distrik Dolzik, wilayah Kharkov. 8 depot dengan senjata rudal dan artileri serta amunisi dihancurkan di dekat Paraskoviivka, Kostiantinovka, Artemovsk, Novovoronsovka di wilayah Kherson dan Ternovatoye di wilayah Zaporozhye, kata Igor dikutip Tribun Timur. Dari kubu Kyiv, Angkatan Udara Ukraina merilis pertahanan udara mengeliminir jet tempur Rusia di wilayah Nova Kakhovka. Kementerian Pertahanan Ukraina mengklaim 200 prajurit Rusia meninggal dalam 24 jam terakhir. Total 38.750 tentara Kremlin tewas sejak awal invasi, tanggal 24 Februari lalu. Memasuki hari ke-147, belum ada tanda-tanda konflik berakhir.
The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation in Ukraine. High-precision weapon strikes of the Russian aerospace forces against missile and artillery weapons depot of the 14th Mechanized Brigade of Ukrainian Armed Forces in Soledar, in Donetsk People's Republic, have destroyed 19 units of armored equipment and up to 14 nationalists. High-precision weapons of the Russian aerospace forces have destroyed US-made Harpoon missile launcher near Usatovo, Odessa region. High-precision long-range, sea-based weapons have hit temporary deployment point of the 35th Marine Brigade in Dachnoye, Odessa region, where reservists for the Ukrainian armed forces were being trained. More than 200 personnel have been destroyed, as well as more than 10 foreign-made military vehicles. As part of counter-battery warfare, 5 platoons of Grad multiple launch rocket systems of the 48th and 58th Motorized Infantry Brigades, 6 artillery platoons of D-20 howitzers, and 9 artillery platoons of D-30 mounts in Kurakhovo, Novomikhailivka, Konstantinovka, and Georgievka in Donetsk People's Republic have been neutralized. Operational, tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery have hit 7 command posts, including units of the 63rd Mechanized and 61st Infantry Brigades near Yavkino, Bereznegovatoye, Visuns and Kaluga in Nikolaev region, the 128th Mountain Assault Brigade in Verkhnekamenskoye district in Donetsk People's Republic, and the 92nd Mechanized Brigade in Dolzhak district of Kharkov region. 8 depots with missile and artillery weapons and ammunition have been destroyed near Paraskovievka, Konstantinovka, Artemovsk, Novovorontsovka in Kherson region, and Ternovatoye in Zaporozhye region, as well as 2 fuel depots of the 54th Mechanized Brigade near Kurakhovo in Donetsk People's Republic. Russian aerospace forces fighter aircraft have shot down 2 Ukrainian Air Force airplanes in an aerial battle, namely 1 MiG-29 near Snegirovka, Nikolaev region, and 1 Su-25 near Dobropolye, Donetsk People's Republic. Russian air defense means have shot down 4 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles near Blagodatovka, Yavorskoye, Kharkov region, and Zugres, Donetsk People's Republic. In addition, 9 projectiles of Uragan multiple launch rocket system have been intercepted near Vasilenkovo in Kharkov region, as well as Novoraisk, Krasnoselskoye, Stepnoe, and Taras Shevchenko in Kherson region. In total, 259 Ukrainian airplanes and 143 helicopters, 1,572 unmanned aerial vehicles, 356 anti-aircraft missile systems, 4,135 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 760 multiple launch rocket systems, 3,166 field artillery and motors, as well as 4,410 units of special military vehicles were destroyed during the operation.